Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Geetika Tips and Timely Varieties. So, as we completed our 2 weeks course, basic Vastu course online session successfully all over India, many people have registered and then gained knowledge on Vastu basic course. So, now we are going to learn about few tips on Vastu again. First time who is watching my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. So
now, in the last 2 weeks, we had a tremendous response from all over India. Students have joined the course and they have learned the basics on Vastu Shastra. So, they have completed their online questioning and also answers are given by me. Now, as per the request of GTTV, I will be giving you tips on Vastu every day so that will be helpful for anyone who has basic knowledge of Vastu. So whenever they wanted to construct a house, they can go through these concepts and then they can implement that so that they can lead a happy, prosperous life and peaceful life. Okay. Today we will be discussing about the gate. So whenever you are constructing an independent house, gate is the most important part or device which you are supposed to fix it, because you will be going out of the house or coming inside into your premises through this entrance, that is called main gate, or you can have a small gate or wicket gate. So where should we keep this gate for any house facing east side or north side or west side or south side or any blocks? Today we will discuss about the positions of the gate in various road facings. For example, this is a plot. I will show you all the positions for all the cases. If this is a plot facing, let's say this is east side and this is north and this is west and this is south. Depending upon the road, you can have the position of the gate clearly. So I am not going to mention the road, only I am mentioning exactly where are the directions for this plot. If you have a road on the east side, then you are supposed to have a gate in this particular position. So gate should be in the east of northeast corner, main gate, or else the next preference is gate can be in the central portion. So these are the two possible ways of representing a gate in the eastern side if you have a road on the east side. For example, if a plot is having a southern side, you want to keep a gate, the position for this is this one. This is the position for keeping a main gate for entry into the premises. So for a south facing plot, you are supposed to keep on south of southeast direction. This is called south of southeast entrance or south of southeast gate. Then if you have a western side road, then you want to have a gate, then you are supposed to have a gate in the west of northwest gate. So west of northwest. So this is the only possible side. Then if you have a northern side road, then you can have a gate in this corner. So those are the possible ways for respective roads on east or north or south or west. For example, somebody was asking in the previous classes, I have a road on the eastern side, I have a road on the western side. Then you can have two gates, one on the eastern side, another on the western side, so that you can go through these two gates whenever you want to go outside this direction or that direction. So that is the way. So this particular concept of keeping the gates in any plot, irrespective of the direction, I have shown you all the four possible directions. Sometimes if it is not possible, you can have the gate at exactly the center or this center or this center or this one. So this is a second preference for keeping this. So whenever you are keeping a gate in this particular four centers of the plot, just move towards east or towards north. What does it mean by moving towards means? This dimension, when you consider a gate at the center of the north, so the dimension on this side should be lesser compared to this side. Then it is moving towards east side. Similarly here also, when you are keeping a road on the south side, then just move little bit so that you can have a gate towards the eastern side. Similarly this side also towards north side. This gate also towards north side. So this dimension will be lesser than this dimension. Those are the things you are supposed to know when you are fixing the gate for a premises or a building or a flat. Then that is. Now, so whenever you have a gate in this corner, try to avoid this one and go for a new gate in this particular roads. So whenever you have a gates in these four corners, try to avoid completely, close the gates and open, even if it costs you also, that is going to give you good results when you move to the other corners what I have proposed. So that's why this is a simple way of doing the things for a gate for a plot or a flats or independent house, wherever you are, whether it is a factory also, try to go for this. Enormous changes have been observed by changing just the gate from this corner to this corner. There is a tremendous change in the industry and even in the houses which I have visited all over India has seen miracles in the house. So that's the reason why this is a simple thing. When you want to construct a building, follow this step and then lead a happy, prosperous and peaceful life. Thank you GTTV for giving me an opportunity to share my knowledge to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for explaining us about position of gates, where we have to place it. So, hope everyone understood about position of gates. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section so that sir will clarify your doubt in the next class or there itself. Even you can post your doubts in the Instagram link which will be provided in the description. First time who is watching my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.